All right, guys, we got the policeman up here radaring 35-mile-an-hour zone. I figured we'd give him a little something to radar. What do you think? We'll hit 90, 100 maybe. Let's see what the lawman thinks about this. Now the goal is to be all in when I'm going past him and to be throwing sparks. So let's see how close to that goal we can get. Clear?
Okay.
What's that?
We're helping you, radar.
So he got me at 72 on the way up. Guys, on the way to 94 miles an hour. I think we're gonna have to go show the man the GPS. I don't want him thinking I'm shortchanging here.